Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a layer combo you need to try using the Floral top and Dress and Press Petal update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and then you can use this item and also this Floral top. Okay, and then I'm going to use this corset as well. This one, and then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm just going to make the lace up. Alright, and then now it's time to change the color and also the pattern. I'm going to start with this item. I'm going to go to the pattern and apply this pattern. I'm going to make all part using this pattern. Okay, and let's move to the floral top. I'm going to apply this pattern as well. Okay, just make them use this pattern. Alright, and for the small flower, I'm going to use pink. Or let's try this one. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the corset. I'm going to make the first part match with my skin color, and also the second part, and the third part I'm going to use this pattern. Alright, and for the last one I'm going to match it with my skin tone. Okay, and wait, let me change the leaf color. I'm going to change it this color or this one. Okay, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area. It's right here. I'm going to wear this skirt and then I'm going to change the pattern to this one. Okay, and it will create something like this, and then you can apply the glitter texture to make it more captivating. Just go to the glitter and change the material to glitter. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this top hack and Dress and Press Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.